Everyone, this is Janice with cricketology.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to be putting together a card that I'm submitting for the Jitterbuggin Sketch Bird and Something Pink challenge. And I got these cuts here. I'll tell you where I got them from. I got this one from Sugar and Spice, as well as this circle. And I got this little piece and this flower from Graphically Speaking. And then I got the little birthday bird from Straight from the Nest. And I've got all his layers. I wanted the black background because it's kind of busy, I think, so I just wanted it to pop off of there. And I've got his little wings here. And it's just a really bright, it's a very bright card, I'll tell you that right now. It's for a little girl, and she's turning 5, and so I wanted to make her a cute, fun, pink, sparkly little card. And I'll probably put a bling in the middle of the flower. I went bling crazy today at Michael's. They had a bunch of bling on clearance. It was $1.49, which, you know, I really wished it was 99 cents, but I may put that big pink bling in the middle there, or maybe I'll put a clear one, I'm not sure. And maybe I'll put a tiny bling on top of there. But yeah, I went to Michael's today to pick up you guys this prize. This one is not the prize because this one's already opened. This one is my friend's. She's leaving it here over the weekend. She's on a trip, and she said I could use it all weekend till she gets back. And then I got a brand new one from the store for you guys, and not sure if they're going to be carrying it. They said that they didn't have it in their system to reorder anymore, so I don't know if Michael's is going to be carrying that or not. But I am giving it away as a prize for all of you who follow my blog. Go ahead and leave me a comment about any kind of a blogging kind of topic, any kind of tip you want to give me would be great. And post about this giveaway on your blog with a link back to my blog. And I'm going to leave it open till next Friday just to give everybody a chance and give others a chance to follow and get in on it. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere all of this together off camera. Paper pack, it's that birthday type paper that Martha Stewart has. And this red paper, I don't know if you can tell that it is kind of shimmery. It's a pink and red and white stack of paper that Recollections has right now. And it's got this neat sparkle to it. And then I'm going to use the Peachy Keen Critter stamp set. It's the medium. And this little bird here is 3 inches, and I think this is going to work. And I'm using the Stays On black, jet black. It's a big face, but for a little 3-inch bird, but I mean, I think that's cute. Okay, and I am going to adhere all of these pieces down. I'm thinking that I'm going to pop up the flower and the bird and the sentiment piece. And the sentiment is going to be from Scrappy Moms, the Simple Sentiments. I'm thinking Birthday Wishes is not going to fit there. And Happy Happy Birthday, what I do is I just go like that. Happy Happy Birthday is going to fit there. I think that's cute for her. So we'll go ahead and It's really well inked. Okay, this paper is textured, so it actually looks kind of cute like that. And this needs to be cleaned right away. The baby wipe does not work very well with that. If you don't have the Stays-On all-purpose cleaner, it's a good thing to have if you're going to be using your Stays-On, because otherwise the ink really does stay on and it stains your stamps. So it's a good idea to have that because it makes it come really clean. And do it to the little bird too. Okay. All right. So let's finish that off with a, I think I'm just going to break it up a little bit with a white bling in the middle of the flower. That's good. And let's just stick all this down here. And this paper right here is that shimmery red paper that I was telling you about, and I need to score it. I want it to be a 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. Oh, there goes my glue. 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 card. So I'm going to, and it's cut to 9 inches, so I'm going to score it at 4 3/4. And go ahead and add that. And I'll probably add some faux stitching to it. I like faux stitching. It's not going to have a ribbon. Surprise, surprise. And that's going to be popped up. I need my scissor. And then there's another one here. Okay. And we're going to put a flower. It's going to cut like a little square. Put that there. And I'll just add some faux stitching, and my cute little bird for the Jitterbuggin Sketch Bird and Something Pink challenge is all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.